Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to reset keyboard dictionary on One UI operating system. First, want to go to Settings, scroll all the way down and click General Management. Here we can click Samsung Keyboard Settings. And if we here scroll all the way down, we can click Reset to Default Settings. And we can click Erase Personalized Predictions. It will ask us if we for sure want to erase it. We click Erase, and it's gone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.